Are you still not understanding how NFT images are making people wealthy? How would you like to discover how to jump into the NFT space easily without any real risk or budget? I'm talking about learning the ropes easily and following a 3-step method I'm personally using to discover rare NFTs that are responsible for $20,400 in profits since I've started. Don't worry, even if you've never done this before, you're just moments away from learning my exact methods in profiting with NFTs, which you can implement yourself today. But before we talk about that, I want you to know that you're not alone. There are people just like you struggling day to day trying to figure this NFT thing out. Many have failed, many have lost money, many have been scammed, and many have been discouraged into further pursuing this space, which is a shame as it is considered a very profitable space. They want to get in, but they don't know the how to. They are afraid of the risks involved and possible scams that are lurking within this space. I encountered this issue myself, and for the past 6 months, after being scammed myself and after failed attempts of making any profit with NFTs, I finally had a breakthrough. I cracked the NFT flip code and made huge profits from it. Hi, my name is Demetrius. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am someone who is looking for real long-term multiple income sources. And NFTs obviously is one of them, since my rewards of my struggles paid off. I finally generated $3,000 on my first NFT flip, then another, and then another, totaling to around $20,400 from my initial investment of $11. It's actually a lot easier than you would think. Let me explain. You see, during my journey with NFTs, I discovered a simple free method to uncovering rare NFTs at low prices. These low-cost NFTs usually turn out to be worth 4 figures. We're talking about thousands. So I begun tweaking the method I've been using since the beginning, which actually saves you time and money while you reap rewards and profits in the next following days, hours, or weeks, and months. When you invest in NFTs cracked today, not only will you finally understand how to make money with NFTs, but you can expect life-changing results if you take action and implement what I'm teaching you and showing you inside. So you're probably wondering exactly how this works? Well, the answer is simple. NFTs Cracked is a premium step-by-step training that simply takes you by the hand and shows you how to find rare NFT images at low costs or even free, and then flipping them for clear, massive profits. You will also learn how to generate a passive income with NFTs Cracked. Look, bottom line, NFTs Cracked is so stupid simple to copy and implement, and risk is so minimal, as the budgets that we are playing with start at the lowest price point of even $11, and some are free. Here's exactly what's going to happen. First, today, you're going to scroll down to see my real results, and then you're going to invest in NFTs Cracked. Once you're done that, then you'll be able to jump inside my over-the-shoulder step-by-step blueprint, helping you generate money with NFTs today. Understand that you are not alone. There are hundreds of people just like you around the world considering taking this very step right now. I can reassure you that this is the right decision for you. You are at the right place at the right time. It's the NFT craze, and you should not be ignoring this at all. If you sat at the sidelines when Bitcoin was still at its earliest stages, then you know that you're just hitting your head on the wall right now. Don't do the same mistake with NFTs. Everything inside NFTs Cracked shows you the exact steps to profiting with NFTs. 0 stones left unturned. Get in now before it's too late. And you're also covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy with the training that I have for you inside. Thank you, and I'll talk to you inside NFTs Cracked.